Concrete countertops are a great way to create durable, attractive surfaces for outdoor entertaining. The first step to creating them is building the forms. A sheet of melamine is a perfect material for the form base because of its smoothness. For the edges, strips of vinyl molding are screwed to the melamine before the seams are caulked to seal each joint. Next, the whole form is sprayed with lubricant to help the concrete release from it later. To add color to the countertops, Quikrete liquid cement color is added to the water before mixing in Quikrete countertop mix. After mixing thoroughly, steel reinforcement is added within the forms before the concrete is poured into the mold. The steel must be lifted up off the bottom of the form before you smooth it off level with the top of the forms. Tapping around the edges will release air bubbles so that after a few days of drying, the surface of the countertop is smooth and free of blemishes and ready to install.